Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views by Money Stocks. Today is Monday, November 12th, 2018. My name is Nick Santiago. Thank you all for tuning in this morning. All right, today is Veterans Day. We want to just thank all the veterans out there in the United States and across the globe for serving our country. Thank you so much, and happy Veterans Day, everyone. All right, so we are expecting volume to probably be a little bit on the lighter side, but as we get started here with the S&P 500 E-mini futures, you'll see that we're trading down about 6 points to 27.73 per contract. Now, we still got lots of stocks in the news, so let's get started here. That's where we're going to try to focus and make some money. First big announcement today is going to be SAP. It looks like they're going to buy out Qualtrics for $8.6 billion. Now, Qualtrics was a company that was scheduled to go public, but it looks like they are going to be bought out by SAP for $8.6 billion. You can see SAP right now trading at 103.18 a share. Stock closed at 108.31. So I will be looking at SAP. I have not been able to figure out a level just yet that I love, but nonetheless, we'll try to have that for you by 9 a.m. when the opening bell rings. So keep an eye on it. Let's see how this plays out. But again, SAP buying out Qualtrics for $8.6 billion. Next up, we're going to have ATHN, which is Athena Health. They are being bought out by Elliott Management for $5.5 billion. So this is a stock that closed at 120.35, now trading at 130.46. Nice little pop there. Next up, we have Apple on the radar here. Looks like Apple is getting hit a little bit today. Stock trading at 199.75, closed at 204.47. And the reason for this, it looks like Lumentum was halted after cutting guidance, and that is part of the face recognition in the Apple phone. So again, we'll go to that stock in just a moment. Apple will be in play today. Keep it on the radar. We'll see how this one shakes out once the opening bell rings. But around the 190 level, I don't know if it gets there, but 190, I really like that today. I don't know if the stock would sell off that sharply, but Apple's been very, very volatile as of late, so I think traders got to keep it on the radar. With that being said, let's take a look at LITE, L-I-T-E, which is Lumentum. Stock right now trading at $42, $41.97, closed at $55.95. So this is a pretty good haircut here. We're going to have to watch this one once the opening bell rings. I still think there's a lot of support around the $40 level, but you can see briefly here, this thing got all the way down towards 35 bucks. So we'll see how it plays out once the opening bell rings. We'll see what we get. We might have to go back to the drawing board on this one, but Apple and LITE will both be in play today. Now, we have some news coming out of the cigarette stocks. It looks like MO getting hit a bit today. This closed at 63.42. Wall Street Journal, I believe, is reporting that the FDA is planning on banning menthol cigarettes. So that is certainly hurting Altria Group. PM, which is Philip Morris International, this is trading at 88.20, closed at 89.18. And also, you want to take a look at BTI, which is British Tobacco. This is trading at 38.78. Closed at 41.75. So all of these names are under pressure today. Again, I don't see any great levels just yet. Let's see where we open up, and we'll look at these in the intraday stock chat room once the market opens at 9:30. Next up, I want to take a look at Alibaba. They had their singles day. I think they smashed their prior record. Stock closed at 144.85. It's trading at 144.50, so basically flat there. I don't see anything great or terrible in the pre-market here. We'll see how it plays out once the opening bell rings. But again, they had their singles day, and that was their biggest record. And I believe from one of the news sources that Apple phones were one of the biggest sellers on that day. Looks like we got some downgrades here. SWKS, which is Skyworks, being downgraded today by Citigroup. Stock trading at $74. I like this $70 level for Skyworks. So if it gets down there, appears to 70, I like that today. Keep that on the radar. QRVO, I believe they lowered their target as well. This stock closed at $68.15, trading at $65. This thing gets down to $55. I think I'll be jumping all over it. So keep that on the radar. QRVO, which is Corvo, around 55. I don't know if it gets there today, but if it does, I really like those levels. You have American Airlines being upgraded by Goldman Sachs. I believe JetBlue as well. Right now, American's trading right where it closed at 36.26, so no movement there. Let's take a look at JBLU, which is JetBlue. This is also trading at $18.35, closed at $18.10, so not a big move on any upgrade there. We are seeing European bank stocks under pressure. Let's go over and take a look at Deutsche Bank. This is trading at $9.94, closed at $10.12. I think we also have BCS, which is Barclays. This is trading at $8.87, closed at $9.15. So again, keep those on the radar as well, and we'll see what else we get once the opening bell rings. Things are a little bit on the lighter side. It is a holiday, but the markets are open, so we'll see how things shake out today. But all in all, this is what we have in store for us. We've had a great 2018, so if you have not done so, come on over. Take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat room. It's really been a sensational blockbuster year, and we're going to look to keep that going really right into the end of the year and into 2019. With that being said, everybody, I'm going to leave it here short and sweet. Right now, the futures are lower by $4.75. We'll see what today gives us, see what opportunities we got out there. If you haven't done so, take that 7-day free trial and join us, and we'll see you.